Have a good day. Agaw dong sendang sa wonderful morning here at Billy Mac, one of the wonderful tourist spots here at Sarangani. Agaw dong sendang at ganito kaputi yung white sun dito. Relaxing kayo ng buong family mo kaya magbisita na kayo dito agaw. Yan, kuha nga pala ito ng Mavic Air shoot. So 40K resolution. Oh, grabe, relaxing talaga dito agaw. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more videos.